Congratulations on your achievement, dear Charitha.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Charitha and I was a student in Bhat and Bhat.
Okay. So you have trained here for?
Since day one, I was coming here. Since
So
March.
you choose Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
Like I saw in the Google reviews that it was good, and like I had a trust that I know like ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ like ಓದ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ.
Okay. So how was your experience during the preparation?
It was good. I made quite a lot of memories. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. Teachers teaching ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. 9th compared to 9th and 10th, actually 10th ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು percentage because I had joined Bhat and Bhat. Like tuitions regularly ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, classes ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು miss ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, and it was good. I like the environment.
Right. How were the mock exams and tests helpful for you?
Yeah, it made me build up some confidence and like memorizing ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ easy ಆಯ್ತು, and I was regular.
Yeah. So usually here we used to conduct chapter wise test, right? So how was the benefit?
It was good. Like it helped me like ನನ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು ನನಗೆ.
Okay. Your confidence to face your board exam, I feel. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Then, ma'am, did your child receive personal attention here?
Sure, ma'am. Definitely. All the staffs and all the teachers, they guided my daughter very well. Made her to work hard more and more, ma'am.
Nice, ma'am. Thank you. Your child confidence before facing the exam and after facing the exam, or how you felt? What was her?
She had so many doubts how she'll do or not like that. But after joining here, the regular monitoring, everything, guidance and all, she did very well. And she used to organize the time management, everything and all. She did hard work also, and she got the.
So how did Bhat and Bhat help you for the exam oriented preparation?
ಲೈಕ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೇವ್ ಮಿ ಅ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Okay. So how was the communication with the parents, ma'am? So what feedback you were receiving regarding her and her performance and all?
It was really a good experience for me, ma'am, because every time whether she's doing good or not, they used to explain me, and it made me to monitor her in a good way also. It was nice experience for me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So overall, how was the journey with Bhat and Bhat Tutorials?
It was good. I really liked it. Actually, it was my best memories. Memories ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರು. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ.
Okay, how your teachers helped?
Motivation ಕೊಟ್ರು.
In the sense, like what was the difficulty point and how they sorted it out?
ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಲೈಕ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವರು.
Okay, so the difficulties of you were concentrated and it was guided, right? Okay, fine. So how was the teaching style here?
It was good. like ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾತ್ಗೆ ಬರಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು.
So what about the doubts? How the doubt clarification session was there here?
It was good.
Okay. So did they clear you with all the doubts, whatever you are facing, the difficulties and all, it was done?
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತದೆಲ್ಲ.
So how was your classroom environment?
It was quite okay, but what I loved is ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ and good.
Okay. What change did you see in your child, ma'am?
It is actually complete overall change I saw in her. I was really happy. I made a good decision joining for the Bhats and Bhats. She did very hard work and all. She used to study herself also, and assignments, everything for the preparation for the test also. It all made her to score a good marks in the exams.
Okay. So what did you like the most in the tutorials? Either the teaching or the test or the personal care or overall system?
They used to give study materials which was very helpful and like worksheets so ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. It was really really helpful. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು and even teaching style was good.
Okay. So, would you recommend Bhat and Bhat for this?
Yeah, definitely.
For why? What is the reason for the recommendation?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ for board exam and all.
Okay, fine. Any message you would like to give to your juniors or the parents?
Just don't stress your child that much.
Okay. Would your juniors want to suggest anything?
ಅವರು ಲೈಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ and they'll get to know and I know that like I have confidence like the teachers here will get them into the right path just like how I got.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much.